Hello, Uyen. Hello, Uyen. Hello, Uyen. Hello, Uyen. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. How are you?
Um, Fine, thank you.
Very good. Okay, look at your book. Are you ready?
Yes.
Great. Okay, let's learn preposition. Now let's watch, think, and dance.
Where's the monkey? Where is it? Where is it? In the box. In the
In the
box.
box.
Where's the bird? Where
Where
is it?
is it?
Where is
Where
it?
is it?
On the tree. On the
The
tree.
tree.
Where's the snake? Where is it? Where is it? Under the rock. Under the
Under the
rock.
rock.
On, in,
In,
and under.
under.
Yeah. Where's the apple? Where is it? Where is it? In the box. Where is it? The
In the
box.
box.
Where's the carrot? Where is it? Where is
Where is
it?
it?
On the chair. On the
On the
chair.
chair.
Where's the pumpkin? Where is it? Where is
Where is
it?
it?
Under the bench. Under the
Under the
bench.
bench.
On, in,
In,
and under.
under.
Great.
Under.
Where's the book? Where is it? Where is it? On
It's
the
on the
desk.
table.
On the
On the
desk.
desk.
Where's the pencil? Where is
Where
it?
is it?
Where is
Where is
it?
it?
In the
In the box.
box. In the
In the
box.
box.
Where's the ruler? Where is
Where
it?
is it?
Where is
Where is
it?
it?
Under the
Under the
chair.
chair.
Under the
Under the
chair.
chair.
On, in,
In,
and under.
under.
See you next time.
All right. Now let's look at this one. Look, listen, and
In.
say in, in.
In.
Very good. Now look, okay? This is the cat.
Cat.
Okay. Look, this is the bottle. Bottle.
Water.
Great. Now, where is the cat? The cat.
The cat is in the water.
Very good. Okay, now look, we have here in. In. All right? In. Okay? In.
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 Nice.
In.
Where is the car? The car is
The car is in the
box.
box.
Very good. Okay, look.
On.
On.
On. Great job. Where is the cat?
The cat.
The cat is
The cat is on the but butter. Butter.
yay. Okay, now look, look. Where is the car?
The car is on the bus.
Yay! Give me a high five. Very good. Okay, now look.
Under.
Under.
And
Very good. Where is the cat?
the cat is under the cat is under the bottle.
Very good. Now look, look. Where is the car?
The car is under the bus.
Nice. Okay, now look. What's this?
The cat is in the water.
Box.
Bus.
Okay, now look. Where is the car?
The car is on the bus.
Nice. Where is the car?
The car is under the bus.
Very good. So we have in, on, under. Okay? Give me a high five, Uyen. Nice. Okay, now look, listen, and say
behind,
behind.
Behind.
Very good. Look at this. This is a mouse.
Mouse.
Okay. Look, this is a box. Now, where is the mouse? Where is the mouse? The mouse is
The mouse is
behind
behind
the
the
box.
bus.
Very good. Now look, look. Where is the car?
The car is behind the bus.
Very good.
Near.
Okay, look. Near. Near.
Near.
Okay. Where is the mouse?
The mouse is near the bus.
Yay. Okay, now look. Where is the car?
The car is near the bus.
Very good. Give me a high five. Yay. You are smart. Okay, now one more. Look, look. Plane. Plane.
Plane.
Okay, now look. Where is the plane? The plane is
The plane is in the bus.
very good. Where is the plane?
The plane is under the bus.
Wow. Where is the plane?
The the plane is behind the bus.
Very good. Where is the plane?
The plane is on the bus.
Very nice. Last one. Where is the plane?
The plane is near the bus.
Very good. Give me a high five, Uyen. Wow. You have one great job. Okay, now look, listen, and say, where is the mouse? The mouse.
The mouse is on the bar.
Very good. Okay, now look. One. Okay. A cat.
A cat.
A cat.
A cat.
Okay, great. Now, meow, meow. One, two. Cat. Cat.
Cat.
Very
Cat.
good. Okay, now look at this one. One. Okay. A dog. A dog. One. Two or three. Dog. Dog. Okay. Great. Now look at this one. All right. Now look. What's that? A
A cat. A
circle.
circle.
Nice. Look. One, two. What's
Circle.
very good. Give me a high five. Nice. Okay, now look. What's this? A
A
star.
star.
A
Star.
star.
A star.
One more, a star. A star.
A star. A star.
Great job. Okay, now look, look.
Star.
Yay! High five, Ian. Great. So you have one star. Okay, now look, listen, and read. Where is the dog? The dog is
The
under
dog is under the butter
table.
table.
Very good. Now look. Where are the cats?
The cat is
Are
in the cat. The cat are in the bus.
very good. Okay, now look. If it's one, okay, one, a cat is. Two, three or more, okay, the cat are. Okay,
Yes.
very good. Now let's practice, Ian. Look, where is the cat?
The cat is in the bus.
Very good. Okay, now where is the dog?
The dog is the dog is
Like this. Where is the dog? The dog
the
is
dog is on the chair.
great job. Okay, say armchair.
Armchair.
Yay! Now look. Where is the book?
Book is under the table.
Yay! You are smart. Give me a high five, Uyen. Very good. You have 1 star. Okay. Now, Uyen, look, read, and write. Where are the book?
The books are on the table.
Very good. Okay, look. Where is the bag?
The bag is
The bag
ha-
is
the bag is ha-
near
near
near the oh, I'm sorry, behind. Look like
behind.
this. The bag is
The bag is behind the bar.
very good. Okay, now write it. Let's write when behind. Very good. All right, behind. Nice, Uyen. Okay, now Uyen, look. Where are the trees?
The tree, the trees are near the house.
Great job. Okay, now write it. Very good. Wow. Give me a high five, Uyen. Nice. You have 1 star for that. Okay, now Uyen, look, read, say, and write. Where is the cup?
The cup is on, on the dot, it,
On the book.
on the book.
Very good. Okay, now look. Where are the monkeys?
The monkeys, the monkeys are the are near the tree.
Wow, very good. Okay, now look. Where is the apple?
The apple is the table.
Is where's the apple?
The apple is under the table.
Wow, very good. Give me a high five, Ian. Nice. You have another 5 stars for that. Very good, Uyen. Wow, great job. Okay, now Uyen, let's play a game. Are you ready?
Yes.
Great. Now look and circle. Where is the bird? Tweet, 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 tweet.
The bird is on
Where is the
is on the 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 tree.
Okay, what's your answer? Circle your answer. Circle. Dang, 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 dang. Very good. Okay, now look. Where is the boy?
The boy is behind the tree.
Wow, nice. Okay, where are the pencils?
The pencil are in uh in in the pencil case.
Nice. Okay, where are the books?
The bush are under the
Chair.
tree. Tree.
One more. Arm, chair.
Tree.
Yay! Give me a high five. Very good. Okay, now look. Where is the dog?
The dog. The dog is near the cat.
Great job, Uyen. Where is the baby? Oh, yeah.
The baby is the baby is on the chair. Chair.
Yay! Very good. Okay, wow, well done. So give me a high five, Uyen. Nice, Uyen. Okay, so you have 1 star for that. Now, Uyen, what did you learn? I learned.
I learned
I learned in.
in on the behind near.
Very good. Now let's practice, Uyen. Look, Uyen, I have this one. Wait a minute. I have a banana. Banana.
The
Okay, look.
banana.
Where is the banana?
The banana is on the bus.
Look, look. Mm,
The banana is in the bus.
very good. Okay. Now look at this. I have a baby. Baby. Okay, now
Baby.
where is the baby?
The baby. The baby is behind the bus.
Very good, Uyen. Okay, now look, look. Frog, frog.
Frog.
Great. Where is the frog?
The frog is on the bus.
Look, where is the truck?
The truck is on the bus.
Very good. Okay, now look at this one. Hmm. Look, balloon. Balloon.
The
Okay, where is the balloon?
balloon is the under the bus.
Very good, Uyen. Okay, now look at this. Stars. Stars.
Stars.
Okay, now where are the stars?
The star. The star is behind
Look, look.
the
The stars
the
are
the star. The star are uh, uh, in
in the
the
box.
bus.
Very good, Uyen.
The bus.
Okay, look, Uyen, look. I have candies. Candies. Candies.
Candies.
Okay, now
Can,
where are the candies?
the can the candy the candies are uh uh on on the bus.
Very good. Okay, look. Where is the phone? Phone, phone. Where is the phone?
The phone is the phone is behind the bus.
Near, near.
Yeah, near the bus.
Very good. Okay, last one. Okay, look at this. Hmm, I have flowers, flowers,
Round,
flowers. Okay, where
round,
are the flowers?
round. The dash uh the garage garage
The flowers,
uh garage garage uh under the bus.
very good, Uyen. Give me a high five, Uyen. Wow, nice. Okay, thank you so much for joining our class. You've got many stars, Uyen. Okay, so you've got 9 stars and one great job. Keep up the good work, Uyen. Bye-bye.